Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to receive message requests from anyone on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. This feature just got a recent update. And if you want to make sure people can reach out to you directly whether they follow you or not, this guide will help you set it up in just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. First, open the X app or go to x.com on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main homepage, look to the navigation bar on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options like Home, Explore, Notifications, and Messages. Scroll down a bit until you find the one that says More and click on it. After that, a small menu will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This will open up a variety of options that allow you to customize how your account works. On the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Safety. This section controls everything about who can see your content and how people can interact with you. Next, within the Privacy and Safety page, find and click on Direct Messages. This is where all your message settings live. You'll notice a section labeled Allow Message Requests From. This is the key part. By default, it's probably set to people you follow, which means only those users can send you message requests. To change that, click on the option and choose Everyone. Once this is selected, anyone on X can send you a message request, even if they don't follow you. You'll still have control to accept or decline each request, so you can decide who you want to talk to. And that's it. You've now updated your direct message settings and can receive message requests from anyone on X. If you found this helpful, give the video a quick like and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching.